X5 Cam 4K 8 MP camera AF plus EDF function description. AF function. AF function operation steps. Click the AF button on the lower sidebar with the mouse to activate the autofocus control panel and the focus region. When using this camera for the first time, click Cal button under the autofocus control panel. The camera system will move the sensor to the standard C-mount position. Please adjust the object distance to make the image in the video clear. Click the push AF button. The camera will perform autofocus for once. After focusing, the camera will maintain the state at the end of focusing. Click Autofocus System will monitor the clarity of the focus region in real time to focus. If the focus region changes, the focus operation will be triggered again. Click Manual Focus. You can move the slider on the scroll bar with the mouse to focus. In Settings greater than ISP greater than Autofocus, you can modify the configuration according to the actual application scenario. Default mode, you can choose the default focus mode after power on, manual focus or autofocus. AF region, if you want to make the focus region smaller, you can increase the number of rows and columns in the AF region. If you want to enlarge the focus region, you can reduce the number of rows and columns in the AF region. If the sample itself has not much details, it is recommended to increase the number of the rows and columns in the AF region as much as possible to obtain more regional information. Color, you can modify color of the focus region's frame. Manual EDF. Manual EDF operation steps. Click the EDF button in the lower sidebar with the mouse. The window in the lower right corner displays the real-time video, and the preview window displays the image after EDF in real time. By slowly rotating the Z-axis of the microscope, image data of different focal depths are acquired in real time, and clear details will be continuously added to the video interface. If there is obvious displacement or scaling between images focusing on different targets in the same scene, you can select the Shift plus Scale mode in Settings greater than EDF greater than Automative Alignment. You can also adjust the sensitivity of detecting changes in the depth of field of the target in Settings greater than EDF greater than Sensitivity. The following demonstrates the manual EDF function under a stereo microscope. AF plus EDF function. AF plus EDF is a new function that combines the camera's unique focus function with EDF. Users can focus on different areas in high magnification scenes, and then fuse their respective clear areas to finally obtain a large depth of field image. AF plus EDF operation steps. Click the AF plus EDF option on the autofocus control panel. The word EDF will be displayed in the upper right corner of the video interface. Click the first focus region. The system will perform autofocus for once. If the focus is completed, focused will be displayed in the upper right corner. The system will automatically obtain a frame of data containing the current clear area. Use the mouse to switch to different focus regions, and the system will automatically focus again and obtain clear data. After obtaining clear data for multiple focus regions, move the mouse to the bottom of the video interface. Click the OK button. The camera will perform EDF on the catched frame data containing clear area information, and then output the fused picture for user use. Note, if focus fails, defocus will be displayed on the upper right corner of the video interface, and the system will not obtain the current frame data. The following demonstrates the manual EDF function under a stereo microscope. Auto EDF operation steps. Click the Auto EDF option on the autofocus panel with the mouse, and EDF will be displayed in the upper right corner of the video interface. The system will start from the upper left corner and traverse to obtain clear data for each focusing area for EDF. After the traversal is completed, the combined image can be output for users to use.